Here we are, guys, doing another unboxing. We just can't stop, won't stop. Another amazing product here, Sonos Playbar. This is like one of the best bars on the market. Great sound, clean look, awesome software. So here's what's inside. Got the, well, this is actually the screws to the mount that Grayson has in his hand. This is sold separately. It's like an extra $39, but it definitely makes mounting it a little bit easier because it does come with this template as well. And then inside of the box, it has a optical cable as well as your power cable, and then, you know, some manuals, quick start guides right here, and an Ethernet cable. That's a quick look inside, and then we're going to be mounting this up on the wall today, up underneath the TV that we installed with all the wires concealed. Now, if you look back here behind the TV, over on the other side, we do have the outlet up here already installed. So then what we're going to do is take our power cable right up into that power outlet that's already installed, keeping everything out of the wall, on the outside up to city code, and safe for the customer. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so we just finished up the installation of the Sonos Soundbar as well as the TV mounting installation with the wires concealed and power outlet installation. Everything turned out beautifully. Keep in mind, guys, if you would like us to do this for you and you live in the Dallas area, we would be happy to do that. But also, if you live outside of the Dallas area, we can ship you these products. We are a dealer for Sonos as well as Sony, Samsung, LG, and a lot of other speaker manufacturers. We do have a low price guarantee and will meet or beat any competitor's pricing with free shipping. Give us a call, shoot us an email, make sure to subscribe down below for more videos. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.